In our trader rundown, Tim Biggam of Options Insider is here to get our day going as far as the market's concerned, and always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Always great to be here. Thanks, Ange.
We have to talk about some high flyers. eBay was crazy good yesterday. Watching that rally, unbelievable. The earnings came out very solid. What do you think about this stock at these levels?
Yeah, absolutely. We saw a big call volume before that, so the big players kind of maybe hinting at it as well. And this is one of those names that's really still kind of a value play. You're not looking at a big multiple here, breaking out to all-time highs ex PayPal. So I still like it going forward. I think it's one of those kind of grinded out kind of stocks that you may just want to add to the portfolio and kind of leave it alone.
That's good to know, because sometimes when the big money moves in on these stocks, it's too late for the average Joe to get in, but you're saying it's not too late on eBay.
Yeah, from a valuation standpoint, if it was more of one of those, high flyer kind of names, I'd be a little more cautious, certainly. But eBay not trading at a big multiple, so I like the fact that you got the big boys coming in. They tend to be sticky and hold it for a while.
Now, we are hearing from General Electric today, and this is a stock that people tend to buy and to hold, and it has performed very, very well. I think really surprisingly well for some people, going back to those 2008 levels where we made it through $32 with GE. What do you think about that stock?
Yeah, same kind of idea here, and those low interest rates are really, I think, providing the tailwind for stocks like GE that have that good yield, solid growth, not off the chart valuation. So I think those kind of stocks going forward will be the ones actually to own. So even though it's up and breaking out to fresh highs here, I still like it going forward simply because of that interest rate environment we're in.
I have to ask you about the overall market. We just have had a tremendous week this week. What do you think investors should be doing? Just holding on and waiting for bigger gains, or protecting those portfolios?
I think trimming out a little up here always makes a lot of sense here, given the fact it was so complacent up until yesterday. That kind of put me on guard. When things get real quiet, my radar goes off. That usually it's a high. But again, next earnings, big ones coming up, Apple and Amazon. I would be a holder of Apple and a seller of Amazon to kind of do a pairs trade, if you will. So I kind of like value over growth here. I like dividends over high flyers.
Well, thank you for your trader talk today, Tim.